Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the field. Close background apps and tabs so the laptop can allocate power to the task. Plug in power if available. Battery mode throttles performance. Once done, set a 25-minute focus timer and open just the primary app and one reference tab. This reduces context switching. Make sure notifications are silenced and the desktop is visible. These small actions immediately improve responsiveness and attention, so you can produce useful work right away. You build momentum by structuring your workflow. Arrange windows side by side with a window manager or shortcuts so input and reference are both visible. This saves seconds that add up. Then, keep all project files in one folder and use clear version tags like V1, V2. It prevents hunting for assets. Automate repeated steps with a macro or script. Once set, it runs reliably and frees cognitive capacity. Maintain a steady pace and check progress each 25-minute cycle before continuing. You finish by exporting deliverables and backing up to the cloud. That secures your work against loss. After saving, compress large artifacts to save space and close the project to reduce memory use. If the laptop feels sluggish, clear app caches and restart. This often restores normal speed. If problems persist, open Task Manager, identify and terminate processes consuming CPU or RAM, and then reboot. This final sweep completes the session and leaves the laptop ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.